Hey there, cookie lovers! Welcome back to the Fresh Plate. Today we are baking something super easy and totally gluten free delicious peanut butter cookies. These cookies are flawless, so they are naturally gluten free and incredibly simple to make. So let's get started. First, you need half cup of room temperature peanut butter. Peanut butter itself is very healthy and it's rich in antioxidant. 1/4 cup of honey. Honey will add natural sweetness. Honey contains a variety of nutrients rich in antioxidants, better for blood sugar levels than regular sugar. And 1/4 cup of applesauce. This applesauce will enhance the flavor of the cookies. Now add oat flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix all ingredients to make a smooth dough. The dough is little bit sticky. You have to rest dough in refrigerator for 30 minutes. If you love gluten-free recipes, please check on my page. They are super easy, yummy and easy to make. After 30 minutes, scoop out dough, give them ball shape with your hands and place them on greased and lined baking tray. You can make 10 to 12 cookies with this recipe. You will love these ultra easy peanut butter cookies. They are full of peanut butter flavor and have the perfect balance of salty and sweet with a wonderfully soft melt in your mouth texture. This cookie is a classic for a reason. These cookies are chewy sweet and packed with peanut buttery flavor. Here's the fun part. Use a fork to gently press down on each cookie, making that classic crisscross pattern. Peanut butter cookies are denser than most and will not spread out in the oven very much and would not bake evenly if the fork marks were not there to flatten them out and really press them down. Preheat oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Take out to the oven and let them set for 10 to 15 minutes. Transfer to the cooling rack and let them cool completely. They will continue to firm as they cool. Look at that gluten free peanut butter cookies that are perfectly golden and ready to enjoy. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell notification. Happy baking!